Hi there, this is a very short video on how to replace the seat or the seat mechanism on a Cerati chair. First of all, it's easiest if you slide the seat forward so you can gain access to the back of the seat. To remove the seat, if you grab the back corner, it doesn't matter which side, on the fabric, not on the plastic undercover, and give it a good hard lift in the corner. You can feel it unclick. There's 5 clips all together, and you can see they all come off. It's important you don't lift it up too high. If you slide it forward under the front of the seat, you can see these 3 tabs. If you lift it up too high, it's a possibility you could break those 3 tabs off. So once the seat is off, that's the easy way to replace a damaged seat or a seat that has some problem with the foam or upholstery. Underneath here is the seat mechanism. This includes the control for the seat slider. And to remove this, there's actually a tab in the back corner. I'll just show you this. In this back corner here, there's a little plastic tab. Now that little plastic tab needs to be lifted up to be able to remove the seat mechanism. So if you were to pull the seat slide mechanism out and lift that tab up at the same time so it slides over the top of the mechanism, you can completely remove the seat base, and which includes the seat slide mechanism as well. That allows you access to the rest of the mechanism as well, which you can then get to with a if you remove the gas lift. Then to replace this is exactly the reverse procedure. You simply place the seat base on there. It's obvious which is the front and the back. The back is where the base slides in, or the mechanism slides in. So you simply line that up. What I'm going to do for me now. Slide it on till it stops, then operate the seat slide mechanism until it clicks on. Once it's on, it won't come off again unless you lift the tab like you did the first time. Then to put the seat cushion back on, once again these 3 tabs at the front, it's important that these get lined up properly. Then there's the 5 clips at the back which line up with the clips here. It's important with the 3 on the front that you look for in the front of the chair, there's 3 holes that those 3 tabs go into. So as you just tip the seat forward, you can just make sure that they're going to line up and that they slide into place. You can tell they're slid into place because I can't lift it up. If it's slid into place and all the way back, it's simply a matter of clipping it back on and making sure that's right. Seat slider should work. You've now replaced the seat cushion and the seat base.